Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to create a Stripe account from anywhere in the world. We can find different methods for creating a Stripe account for non-supported countries. You know, those methods often lead to account closures because they weren't legitimate. This time I've found a legal and reliable solution: forming a company. By forming a company, you can create a Stripe account without any issues. We are currently helping thousands of people set up companies in the US, UK and Canada. This method ensures that your account won't be closed and you can receive payments from your clients or customers seamlessly. Here are the benefits of forming a company with us. I put together a dedicated team to help you get your company registered quickly, typically within 4 days, and at the best prices. Also, you'll receive a full refund if we are unable to form a company for you. If you are interested in getting started, reach out to me on my Instagram handle.